Matt, Dev, two more girls. We are here to test a viral trend that is at least 3 months old.
At least.
Like 4 or 5 months?
Maybe? Yeah.
6 months?
When we're filming it.
Oh gosh. Does anybody still remember the Chippy Boys recipe?
I still see it on my feed occasionally.
Yeah. It's still out there.
It's essentially kettle chips with normally gorgonzola, but some kind of crumbly cheese, baked in the oven, and then you drizzle on balsamic glaze.
And apparently it's very
Yeah,
good.
people have been obsessed with it.
And it's I don't know if this was like a family recipe or something.
No, I think they
like
had
geographically.
I think they had it at a restaurant and then recreated it at home, and they've just been making it at home.
But why did they name it Chippy Boys? That was just a nickname, I think they came up with.
But yeah, I don't know, as soon as I saw it, I was like, I want to eat this.
It looks good.
It looks fucking delicious.
What's not to like?
So we're gonna try it. We have everything we need. We're using feta because that's the most crumbly vegan cheese we can get a hold of.
Yeah.
And I honestly think it works because it's gonna be salty, a little strong in flavor. So we are gonna make them.
Are we using all of these? How many are you supposed to? It's supposed to be like an even layer.
I don't know, because she was saying in the video she shakes it up so that the bottom ones get toasted. So do we want to do a thinner layer so that we don't necessarily have to shake it up as
like
much?
This?
Yeah, that feels good, right?
Alright. Yeah, let me make sure they taste okay. Well, actually, I want to taste before and after they're toasted to see what a big difference it makes.
Okay.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Now we're gonna know.
Tastes like chips.
Yep.
Now, every video I've seen, I feel like they don't put enough cheese on it.
Oh.
But like, I don't know if that's just how it's supposed to be. But like, I want to be able to taste cheese on like almost every chip, right? And so many of them, it just seems like there's just like a few big chunks, and like most of the chips are probably not getting any cheese on it.
Okay, well let's just crumble till we feel good about it. Here, you crumble this chunk.
Thank you so much.
We're the boss.
Yeah. I really do like crumbly cheese.
I dropped some on the ground.
Oh my goodness. I dropped some!
Don't step on it. It's right here.
It's right by your foot.
I'm gonna step on it. It can't move. It's not safe.
Like, this feels like a better amount of cheese than I've seen on most people's.
Okay.
But again, I've never eaten these before, so maybe.
What if it's too much?
Maybe it's
There's a reason?
But like, I also do think we're using feta, which is definitely less intense than a gorgonzola.
Oh, okay.
So I feel like maybe if this was gorgonzola, maybe it would be a lot.
Yeah,
and maybe that's why there's not a lot, but
what that tastes like.
I think this feels like a good amount of cheese. There's like a little bit on every chip for the most part.
Yeah.
So now we just broil this in the oven.
Until it's to your desired toastedness.
Yeah. The person who, the original Chippy Boys, was saying she likes hers almost to the point where they're almost burnt.
Right on the edge.
So we're gonna see.
Whatever that is.
Yeah. Do I do convect broil or just broil?
Oh!
Do I want the fan on? I'll do convect broil. And how high of a broil?
Well, she didn't specify, but
Should I do 425, keep it low to start, and see?
it did seem like different ovens. She's not happy with.
Well, yeah, said she was trying the Our Place like toaster oven type thing and didn't like it.
Intense.
Yeah, so I'll do a lower broil and see.
I think we should keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it.
Yeah, we definitely have to.
That feels better, right?
How long do you think we're in there for? Like maybe 5?
Maybe 5 minutes.
Maybe 5.
At 425 broil.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Chippy Boys are ready to have glaze drizzled upon them.
Okay, so we did probably like maybe 2 minutes more.
Yeah, so I'd say it's anywhere between like 4 to 6 minutes depending on your oven.
Yeah, and then nobody else talked about this, but we let them cool a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know if we're supposed to, but like touching them hurt.
And we're talking like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Not like an hour.
So we're gonna put the glaze on now.
Glaze it up. Looks like chocolate sauce
I know.
every time. Has no one done that variation?
Like a sweet version?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It would be marshmallows.
Ooh, actually.
Do it right now. No.
I actually think that's a great idea. Does that feel like a good amount?
Yeah.
Okay. Time to eat Chippy Boys.
Okay.
Because some people put a lot of the glaze on, and I feel like
But
this
I'm not
is-
sure how I feel about
Yeah.
it yet. We're getting to know each
Which one
other.
do I want? I want this one. All right, ready? That's nice.
Like, obviously the feta is nice. I'm trying to like appreciate the rest of it.
Cool down the right amount.
Yep. I like it. It's kind of like the perfect easy way to level up.
Yeah.
You're like, I want to treat myself a little bit, but not too much.
Yeah. And I don't want to make a mess or too much work or anything like that. No, it's actually really nice.
Yeah, it's a really good balance of salty and like savory.
And sweet.
And the little sweet from the balsamic, right?
From the bulbs.
No, Chippy boys.
It's actually really nice. I actually like it a lot. The first one I was like, I liked it, but like it felt like it was overhyped. But the more I eat, I'm like, no, actually, this is a really nice
Now
snack.
I'm like, we're gonna finish this. And the toastiness does make a difference. I feel like it tones down the greasiness,
I think so.
which I did not expect.
And I like.
Yeah,
They don't feel as heavy.
you're like double baking them.
Yeah. What do you think? I think this would be good with other flavored chips. What if you did salt and vinegar?
What if you did the spicy dill pickle? There's got to be something there.
Actually, that's gotta be delicious. We'll try that next time.
We got to make like a million different kinds now. We just came up with 2.
We should just look for kettle chips that we can eat, the different
Start
flavors.
collecting kettle chips.
And do a bunch of different Chippy Boys and see which flavors are the best ones.
Okay. Put your suggestions in the comments.
Yeah.
All right, let us know if you've tried this, if you've made a variation already, and what other viral recipes should we come late to the party to.
Well, ate that a lot faster than I thought we would.
Right? It's very easy to devour that.
Really good. Make it.
Approved.
Approved.